have a pretty lit hallway with carpet. Here we are, 1729. Not much of a gap down there. We have a corridor right here where the front door is. We also have a coffee spot, a safe, also a mini fridge. Let's see if there is a maximum room rate on here. I do not see one. Yes, maximum room rate is $500 per night. And we are in this corner room right here. And then we come and see this sliding door that leads to the bathroom. Very, very bright bathroom, which I love. Got some artwork right here. Under there, we do have a hair dryer or towels. Very clean counter with the classic Hilton amenities. I love when there's lights all around the mirror. We come over here to the toilet area and the tub and shower. We have different designs here, designs there. That is our shower head. Have our amenities there. This is the tub. Then we're gonna come on out. This is a conjoining room. We have 2 beds here. A little bit of space right there. And then we have a desk, a little map of the area, the Chesapeake Bay area, closet, then we should have a iron and everything right there. This area has the TV. We have 2 pretty good sized beds. 1 table in the middle with some outlets, little designs up top. And then we have a little seating area right here, and we have these really big windows, which I like. A little bit of that outside. Pretty good view. I think you can see the city over here. Over there is a good amount of building clusters. Then we have water over there. Yeah, so this is the room.